What is the best software or tool to use when trying to recover deleted PS4 capture gallery items?
Hello there, PS4 enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an essential topic: recovering deleted PS4 capture gallery items. We've all had those moments where we accidentally delete a memorable screenshot or video. But don't worry, there are ways to recover those cherished memories.
Can deleted PS4 capture gallery items be recovered?
Before we get into the software and tools, let's clarify one thing. Can deleted PS4 capture gallery items be recovered? The answer is, unfortunately, not always. PS4 does not have a built-in mechanism to recover deleted data from its capture gallery. Once deleted, these files are typically gone for good. However, if you had backed up your data previously or uploaded it to the cloud, recovery could be possible. This brings us to the best practices for avoiding this situation in the future: regular data backups and cloud uploads.
What is the best tool for data recovery?
Assuming you've been making regular backups, the best tool for recovery is actually the PS4's built-in backup and restore functionality. If you've been uploading your captures to a cloud service like PlayStation Plus, you can simply re-download the deleted items.
How to recover from backup?
To recover your capture gallery items from a backup, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Settings menu on your PS4. 2. Select the System category. 3. Choose Backup and Restore. 4. Select Restore PS4. 5. Choose the backup file you want to restore from. Keep in mind, this will restore your entire system to the state it was in when you made that backup, not just your capture gallery.
What if I didn't make a backup?
If you didn't make a backup, things get more complicated. There isn't a specific software that can recover deleted files from PS4's capture gallery. You might come across some data recovery software online claiming to do so, but be cautious. Many of these programs don't work as advertised and could potentially harm your system. Always research thoroughly and use trusted sources when downloading software. In conclusion, the best method to recover deleted capture gallery items on PS4 is to regularly back up your data and use the built-in restoration system. If you haven't been doing this, unfortunately, there isn't a surefire way to recover your lost data. But take this as a lesson learned, and start making regular backups to avoid future heartache. Remember, being proactive is better than being reactive. Hope this guide was helpful, and happy gaming!